guys, this is Nigel. I'm just going to do a review and an unboxing on this chainsaw, the Ozito, the brushless kind. I've been using Ozitos for probably a good 5 years, using and trying to kill them, and they just won't die at the moment, so I thought I'd unbox this one for us. This is whoa, looks like it's come upside down. Oh, chain's already attached on it. That's pretty helpful. What else is good in this box? This is the actual combo pack. These are the batteries. These come with two 3Hz batteries. They do recommend you to use the 5.2 Hz, but that's what they came with. So. And it actually came with a fast charger with 2 connections on it. I've only had the 1 connection on mine, so that's the first connection. This box, but yeah, so it says all the extra stuff that you can obviously buy, and different size batteries and whatnot. And instructions. It's a big box. I believe that with the combo pack, it was a lot bigger than just the skin, so obviously they had to put the batteries in. Put this down here. So yeah, obviously that's quite tensioned already, so that's good. Obviously you have to add your oil in here. Important, pull guard backwards to run. It's just a safety procedure. It's very important to read these stuffs too before you actually use the machine. And can I get my daughter to grab me some oil, please? This is Elma, my assistant. Thank you. You need to put some chainsaw oil in it, just so it won't all dry up and die, obviously. It's about $10 at Bunnings. Ooh, whoops. Can I get a paper towel, please, someone? Always happens. That'll be fine. If I'm lucky, I should be able to turn this on with these batteries if they come charged. But if not, I've got plenty of batteries floating around. Funny thing I do like about these 3Hz ones, quite a big battery. If you have a look, I have a older 5.2 battery. This is a 3Hz battery. they're exactly the same size. So it's probably just what they sell to get rid of them in the kits, but they do the job. But I would recommend to upgrade to the bigger battery. Let's see if they come charged. Well, at least they'll probably be about 80%. Yeah, got 2 bars, so enough to get it going. Keep it together. These obviously go on either side, so you got one clip in. You drop on that side. The other one. Got the other side. Now, can work this out. So that's obviously locked in. When you want to let it go, you have to release that one. There's a button on the side here. Obviously, you got to press that. That's got some nice torque in it. That feels quite powerful. Okay, so we might go out to the yard and see if we can give it a chop. Okay, so we have an overhanging branch here. It's a bit late for me when I'm mowing, so I thought it's a good demonstration for me to chop it. It's probably a good 5 centimetre in diameter at the root here, if you can come in closer. Come on, don't be shy. You see this? This is what I'm going to chop. See how it goes. Okay, so. Wow, that just ate that up like it was nothing. Might chop this one. This is a bit lower too. Another one here that's a bit low. Can you see me?
Yeah.
And as you see, this chainsaw here is quite capable for anything around the yard that's just overhanging. Very impressed with this overall. And if you want to see any more of my YouTube clips, or want to see anything reviewed on Ozito, let us know in the comments down below.